Yes, Varun, you can start now.
Okay. Hello, everyone. My name is Varun Saroha, and I am an MCT, Microsoft Certified Trainer for past 5 years. Other than that, I had been associated with Microsoft as a Dynamics 365 consultant for past 14 years, and I had been working intermittently on the implementation project for Microsoft D365, and I'm also connected with different Microsoft communities for the features release upgrades or the training purposes. So today I would be covering this session with the introduction to Copilot Studio. So I'll be talking about the Copilot Studio, and meanwhile I'll also show you or give you a demonstration of how to create a simple chatbot for your personal or business assistants, where you can fetch the information within no time using the chatbot within your messaging apps. So let's begin with the introduction. Okay. So we'll start by discussing the basics of Copilot Studio and its features. And then further on, we'll be diving into the world of chatbots. I'll be creating a chatbot hands-on. I'll show you and understand what they are and what are their benefits. And finally, we'll be exploring how to create a chatbot and how to enhance its capabilities using the Copilot Studios. So the first question comes, what is Copilot Studio? So Copilot Studio, it is an innovative platform designed by Microsoft to enhance the productivity and creativity in various domains, leveraging the power of artificial intelligence. And it serves as a versatile assistant that can aid in tasks ranging from writing and coding to design and project management. So by integrating AI-powered tools, Copilot Studio, this can help users streamlining the workflows, automating the processes, the repetitive tasks, and generating high-quality content with greater efficiency. So whether you are a writer, you are a developer, or a designer, the Copilot Studio offers you tailored solution to support and elevate your work. It enables you to focus on more strategic and creative aspects. It its intuitive interface and robust capabilities make it an indispensable tool for the professionals seeking to optimize their performance and output. So definitely, when Copilot is working for you, you can look on to the other more important tasks. Okay. So in general, Copilot Studio, from today's presentation focus, is a chatbot building platform, and that makes it easy to create and manage chatbots. It offers a range of features, including the customizable templates, natural language processing, and integrations with popular messaging platforms like Team. Okay. Coming to the features of Copilot Studio. So Copilot Studio, it offers a range of features that make it a powerful tool for building the chatbots. And these features include customizable templates, natural language processing. You can use your general language, which we use for daily communication among the peers or among our co-workers, and integrations with the popular messaging platforms such as Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, or even the professional environment like Team and other messaging apps. So the key features of this Copilot Studio, this include customizable templates that cater to diverse professional needs. It ensures users can quickly adapt the platform to their specific requirements. Its advanced natural language processing capabilities facilitates seamless interaction and content creation, and allows the making of complex task looks easy and more manageable. And additionally, Copilot Studio, it offers integrations with popular platforms like I said earlier. So it allows user to collaborate effortlessly and streamlines the communication within their preferred digital environments. And these features combined with a user-friendly interface and powerful AI-driven tool, making Copilot Studio an essential asset for enhancing productivity and promoting creativity across the different domains. Now we had been talking a lot more about the chatbot. So question comes, what is a chatbot? So a chatbot is a computer program designed to simulate conversation with human users, especially over the internet. So chatbots can be used to automate customer service. It can provide you information or engaging you in a conversation. A chatbot, technically, it's an AI software that mimics human conversation through text or voice. And chatbots can answer your questions, performs tasks for you, so you can use them in automation, and it can manage your customer services processes. Like you can use the chatbot for analyzing customer account or statement and writing letters to customers, for example, for maybe collection. Okay. So in customer service automation, chatbots offer 24/7 support, handle multiple queries at once, and reduce the need for human staff, which ultimately leads to these cost saving and boosting the satisfaction. So I'm sure everyone must have seen different airlines or maybe other shopping apps where they have deployed the chatbots, and based on your inputs, which are normally in the natural languages, it provides you support. Okay. Then on social media, chatbots engage users in casual chats, providing entertainment and information using the natural language processing. And these bots understand and respond to user inputs smoothly. Overall, chatbots and are vital for modern business, providing the efficient, scalable, and user-friendly communication solutions. So, in your daily transactions or your communication with your bank or with your shopping website or with your any other customer care related queries, you might have already interacted with chatbots. Okay, and in fact, with the growing use of AI, there are multiple medical solutions. Those are building the chatbot to interact with the patients and taking the initial information. And other than that, over the mental health also, chatbots are doing a great contribution these days. So, what are the benefits of chatbots? So, by now, as I have explained you, what are the chatbots and how do they work, you might have already understood the benefit of chatbots. So, unlike the human resource, chatbots are available 24/7, being a machine, and they provide you faster response time, a personalized interaction, and they can also help a business save the time and money as it automates the routine task and provide the quick answers to the common questions. So major benefit of chatbots are these are 24/7 available. The response time is very quick comparing to the human's speed, and they give you the personalized interaction. Means the solutions are tailored made for specific queries or questions raised or problems mentioned. And And the ultimate objective of these chatbots is to save the time and the cost for the organization. Okay. So next we will be seeing how do we create a simple chatbot using the Copilot Studio. So building a chatbot with Copilot Studio, it's Very easy. First, you need to define the chatbot's purpose and the target audiences, and then you can select a template available from the standard template store on the Copilot Studio, and you can customize it using the Copilot Studio's drag and drop interface. Okay, let's see how to create a chatbot. Okay, so this is your Copilot Studio. Okay, so how to reach Copilot Studio first? So to reach the Copilot Studio, you just need to type Copilot Studio and select or say Copilot Studio dot Microsoft.com, because I have used it earlier. That's why it is showing in my history. Okay, so we'll use it here itself. Okay, so once you have the Copilot Studio open, you would need to require a login based on your organizational account. In case you don't have any access to Copilot Studio, you can use the trial version using your school or your official email ID. Okay. So once you are entered into the Copilot Studio, it will take you over here. If you go to home, so like I have already created two chatbots, which is showing over here, and further we can create a new chatbot. Okay. So So to create a chatbot, we need to click on create, and or we can use the agents available in here. Okay. So let's go to create. Once you click on create, it gives you the templates. So when it says the explore agent, these are the available templates for the chatbots. We don't want to use the templates. We can simply click on new agent. Okay. So now here Copilot Studio offers you help. What do you expect and all? You can provide the details and it will help you create in chatbot. So you can type your message here. You can say, I want chatbot about industrial policy in. Okay. So it gives this response. So it says the agent is now set up to provide comprehensive information and guidance. Let's move on naming the agent. What do you want to name this agent? You can say policy. So if you have any instructions, those you can give. So like this, you can do it with the help of Copilot itself. Otherwise, if you have the clarity what I want to create, from where I'll be sourcing the knowledge, you can simply jump to skip to configure. Okay, give it. You can change the icons as well. You can find out the images and upload, or just simply save it. It will take the default one. So like you see, based on my question and answer with the bot itself, it has updated the description. It already added the instructions. And now next and the most important step is adding the knowledge. So before I add the knowledge, let me talk about what all knowledge we can add. So majorly we can add any public websites. So before you add any public websites, make sure this website offers the detailed information about the objectives you have mentioned for the chatbot for, and you must also be authorized, like this data is available for public use. Okay? Then only you add those public websites. Then is SharePoints. So suppose you're creating a chatbot for your organization. So you can add a SharePoint address and it will take the knowledge from files available on that address. And next is Dataverse. This is your organization's data which you can connect, and it will take the data in whole Dataverse as the knowledge source for this chatbot. Or simply you can drag and drop the files over here. Okay. So either you can have the SharePoint or this file. So let me just refresh it. Okay. So I'll be doing a new one and do it. Okay. I can add instructions or I can ignore it and then add knowledge. Okay. And then I can have this. I have this OneDrive. So make sure if you're using any files, they must be in OneDrive, not on your local PC, or you upload the files. So let's say I'm taking this one. So let me take this address or folder and add the SharePoint, add the URL, add, let's add it, just say add, and you can see that folder name is showing here. So I have added one knowledge source in this. Okay. Then just simply click on create and it will create this bot for you. Okay. So it's loading the details. Okay. So before I go for testing, I will explain you what all I have added. I have added some documents from the government website which are available for public use. So I have taken some documents related to Mudra policies from Government of India, IT and ITES policy from Uttar Pradesh, features of Mudra loans, and the startup policy for Uttar Pradesh. So my bot is ready and I can do the question and answer for the testing purpose. Before I proceed, um, a bit about adding the intelligence to your bot. So you see orchestration. So we can use generative AI to determine how best to respond to users in events preview. So right now it is disabled. I can enable it. Okay. And what it does, I'll tell you. So it follows certain policies, like it can go ahead with the knowledge. So it helps definitely in using the right topics, actions related to the questions you ask. Okay. And in case we disable it, the focus remains on the input we give. And the next part is in this, you see a similar button, allow the AI to use its own general knowledge. So if I disable this, it will limit itself to the documents I have supplied. It will not go to the documents available on the internet, which AI can access. Okay. So let us test it first with the documents. Okay. I'm asking which state's policy you can help me with. Okay. It will take a bit of time. Okay. So now it has checked into the documents and it gave you the details. Okay. Next question I'll ask. So right now it is checking in the documents I have provided. Okay. So you see, it has given you the information about the IT policy of Uttar Pradesh. It gives you the certain bullet points, but if you see the N, it says, unfortunately, there is no information available about the IT policy of Rajasthan in the retrieved document because I didn't provide it. And you see, I have like a layman, I gave a wrong spelling of Rajasthan also, which it has accepted through the natural language processing. Okay, so that is how intelligent it is. Now let's go and enable the orchestration through GenAI and knowledge. Okay, so just refresh it once, making sure that it is connected. Okay, now I will ask the same question. So now you see it has gone to check because now we are in the testing. So it is showing how it is progressing. So it is checking in knowledge sources. It found in the knowledge source searched and output. Okay, but this time you see it has checked the Uttar Pradesh IT policy. It checks the Rajasthan IT policy and gave a comparison because I allowed the AI to go and check on its available knowledge sources at own and find out the right answers. Okay. So based on the documents or the knowledge sources, you can um, do the you can do the testing or you can ask the questions to the agent. Close this. Okay. So that's how we create the simple bots and give the simple knowledge source and allow it. And then further we can add more topics, how it responds, like for greeting, for goodbyes and all, you can check it. You can add these topics here and you can do the editing in these topics. Okay, so it says you can check it in here for the triggered agent and you can say what would be the response. And you can define your workflow based on the basic understanding. Doesn't require the high level programming knowledge in this. Okay, you can see different other options, and you can add new topics as well. This is where you can maintain knowledge. So I had given one a folder. I can add further more documents in here. I can add through add knowledge, and I can add more files. So I can drag and drop certain files in here. Like if I want to add a document related to budget, 2024 budget, and I can add it. So the document is added. You can just do the test and you refresh it. Okay, and that's how you add the documents. And then topics, actions. You can add more actions here. So these is related to the productivity. You can add the actions in case you're doing those kind of works. I'll not use in this one. It will take time. So this shows the activity on the bot. So it is showing the um, activities I have done, the task I have checked. So this is giving you the log. Analytics you can check. So once you publish a bot, you can see the engagement of your bot from your peers, your workplace. Okay, and you can put in the channels also, how you want to use it, which channel. And once everything is settled, you can publish it. Then everybody can use it from. You can publish it from here, and then it will be available to use. So that's how we create a simple bot and apply the knowledge source to this. Now just imagine you're creating this bot, like suppose you are an HR in your organization and you have multiple policies. People, keep coming to you asking certain questions like how many leaves I can carry forward, what are the reimbursement policies and all. You can simply go to Copilot Studio, or you can take help of your technical resources. They can simply create a bot where they can put all your company policies document, and people can answer questions to the bots directly. Okay, so this is how we generate bots. Okay, and if you notice or observe, it didn't take me more than 15 minutes to create this bot and make it running. It will take another 2-3 minutes if I go for publishing, but I'm not publishing it. Okay, so we are back to the bots creation. Hmm. So in short, what we did in the testing and creation of bot, we defined a chatbot's purpose. We selected a template, or we define our own. Then we did the customization. Customizations mean we did the knowledge addition, those orchestration, allowing the AI to explore itself, all those. And then we did the testing. And finally, when we are satisfied with the testing results, we do the deployment. And you can deploy this to your team app, your WhatsApp, or whatever you want. Then coming to the enhancement of chatbots. So like explain how we can enhance the chatbots through different actions or the predefined outcomes. Like, so after building a simple chatbot, you can enhance its capabilities by adding more features such as natural language processing and machine learning, or integrate it with third party services. So for that, you would need more authentication. Maybe certain third party apps required license for that, and the particular integration infrastructure. Okay. Then Copilot Studio makes it easy to add these features to your chatbots. Then further to the chatbot customization. How do we customize the chatbot? So for the customization of chatbot, it is important to ensure that it meets the specific needs of your business and target audiences. The Copilot Studio, it offers a range of customization options, which includes the ability to change the chatbot appearance. Like you saw in the very simple level, we were able to add different icons, or we can import images to use this icon. We can change that appearance. We can add or remove the features like every year in case it's a policy bot, you can add new policy documents or you can remove previous year's policy documents, which is again to knowledge or the features, and you can integrate it with the third party services. Okay. Then adding the intelligence to your chatbot and how it can help. So adding the intelligence to your chatbot, it can help in understand and respond to user queries better. So the Copilot Studio offers natural language processing as we saw it, and also it has capabilities to add machine learning, and this can be used to enhance the chatbot's intelligence. So let's suppose picture your chatbot as a let's consider it as a superhero, and with an upgrade, and you have added the intelligence. Now it can do amazing things, like it can understand the different languages, it can pick up on the user emotions using the sentiment analysis, and even it can learn from the past conversations. It knows like how the user came last time, what was the concern, so it can like in advance it can say whether it is related to the past conversation, that particular issue, or a new issue. So user will be engaged and they'll know that we are remembering them. Okay. So for example, someone asked the chatbots, what's the weather like? Okay. So instead of just replying with the weather forecast for particular day, the smart bot, it may also reply like, it's a sunny day, perfect day for a picnic at Central Park. Or if a customer seems frustrated, it can offer extra help with sentiment analysis. So it can like imagine chatting with a bot that gets you and makes your day brighter. That's the like magic of an intelligent chatbot, and it always keep on learning, it always keep on improving, and always ready to make the life easier. So right now, like we are in the holiday season, it's December, Christmas is around. So suppose you have created a chatbot for policy, leave policy, and you added certain if you have like travel vendors policy also, so you can combine that, and it can put suggestion like you have a upcoming holiday week, and based on the offer you can go certain places for picnic, for travel, for camping, and all those things. So it can make those intelligent suggestions. So with that demonstration of creating the chatbot, talking about the copilot, its feature, and using the copilot for creating the chatbot, we come to the end of our presentation, the session today. So, in conclusion, I would say like Copilot, Copilot Studio is a powerful tool for building the chatbots, for varying complexity. And in this presentation, we have explored the basic of Copilot Studio and chatbots, and we learned today how to build a simple chatbot using the Copilot Studio, and we also learned how we can enhance the chatbot's capabilities and customize it to the meet specific business requirements or needs. Okay, thank you everyone.
Yeah, Varun, are you done with your session?
Yes.
Okay, I'll end the stream.